Hello everyone, and welcome back to Writing Tutorials. In today's video, we're going to look at a very common and important essay topic for junior high school students, and that is an essay on myself. This type of essay is one of the first ones students usually learn to write because it helps them introduce who they are, their family, their likes, their values, and their dreams. So in this narration, I'll read the essay for you and then explain each paragraph and sentence in detail. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to write your own essay on myself with confidence. Let's begin with the first paragraph. My name is David Anderson, and I am a student in the 7th grade at Lincoln Junior High School. I live in Chicago with my parents and my younger sister. I'm 13 years old, and I enjoy learning new things, spending time with my family, and playing with my friends. This introduction is short but complete. Notice how it starts by saying the student's full name. That's important, because an essay about yourself should always begin with a clear introduction of who you are. Then, it gives details about grade and school. That's something every student can include, like the name of their school and which class they study in. After that, the essay shares personal details such as the city they live in and their family. And finally, it lists age and interests. When you write this part, think of it as your hello to the reader. Keep it simple, but cover your name, age, school, family, and one or two things you like to do. Now, let's look at the second paragraph. At school, my favorite subjects are English and science. I like English because I enjoy reading stories and improving my writing skills. Science is also interesting to me because it helps me understand how the world around us works. I always try to do my homework on time and pay attention in class so that I can do well in my studies. This paragraph focuses on school life. Notice how it mentions favorite subjects first. That's always a good idea because it shows your interests in learning. Then it explains why those subjects are favorites. For example, English is liked because of reading and writing, and science because it explains the world. Whenever you write about your favorite subjects, don't just name them, give reasons. That makes your essay stronger and more personal. Finally, this paragraph talks about study habits, like doing homework on time and paying attention in class. That shows discipline and responsibility, which are important qualities for a student to highlight. The third paragraph shifts to hobbies and free time. Outside of school, I have many hobbies. My favorite hobby is playing basketball. I practice with my friends in the park every weekend, and it keeps me healthy and active. I also love reading adventure books and watching educational programs on television. These activities not only entertain me, but also help me learn new ideas. Here, the essay shows balance between study and fun. Notice how it starts broadly by saying, I have many hobbies, and then it picks the favorite, basketball. It explains where and when the activity is done, which adds detail. Then it moves on to reading and watching educational programs. The best part of this paragraph is the conclusion. It says, hobbies are not just for entertainment, but also for learning. That's a smart way to show that hobbies help in personal growth. When writing about your hobbies, always explain what you do, why you enjoy it, and how it benefits you. Now, let's move on to the fourth paragraph about values and character. I believe in being honest, kind, and helpful to others. My parents and teachers always tell me that good character is just as important as good grades. That is why I try to respect everyone, care for my friends, and help my younger sister with her studies. This is a very important part of the essay because it talks about personality. Notice the three values mentioned: honesty, kindness, and helpfulness. Writing about values shows maturity and makes your essay stand out. Then the essay supports these values with examples: respecting people, caring for friends, and helping a younger sibling. When you're writing your essay, think about what values your family and school teach you and give small examples of how you practice them. This makes your writing more believable and relatable. Now the fifth paragraph looks at future goals. In the future, I want to become a teacher because I admire how my teachers explain lessons with patience and kindness. I want to guide other students the same way and help them achieve their goals. This paragraph is short but meaningful. It talks about dreams, which is something every student can write about. The writer doesn't just say, "I want to be a teacher." He explains why. Because teachers inspire him with patience and kindness. This kind of reasoning is important because it shows thoughtfulness. Whenever you talk about your goals, link them to your experiences and explain why you want that future. Finally, we have the conclusion. In conclusion, I am a simple boy who enjoys studying, playing, and spending time with family and friends. I believe that with hard work, honesty, and dedication, I can achieve my dreams and make my parents proud. This ending ties the essay together very nicely. It summarizes the key points: studying, playing, family, and friends. Then it ends with a hopeful note about hard work and making parents proud. A conclusion like this leaves a positive impression. Remember, when you write your conclusion, don't add new details. Instead, wrap up what you've already said in a simple and confident way. So, friends, that was the full essay on myself, explained step by step. As you can see, an essay like this is more than just writing your name and age. It's about showing who you are as a student, what you enjoy, what values you live by, and what dreams you have. To quickly review, here are some tips you can use when writing your own essay on myself. Start with a clear introduction: name, age, school, and family. Mention your favorite subjects and explain why you enjoy them. Share your hobbies and what you do in your free time. Talk about your values and character with small examples. Describe your dreams and goals for the future. End with a simple conclusion that wraps everything together. If you follow these steps, your essay will be clear, personal, and impressive. Thank you so much for watching today's video on writing tutorials. I hope this narration helps you understand how to write an essay on myself for junior high school. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and check out our other writing tutorials to keep improving your skills.